Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show you how to change handle in your YouTube channel. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on your button. Now tap on view channel. Then tap on pencil icon. See here, this is your YouTube handle. Now we change it. To change it, tap on pencil icon besides the handle. Then tap your new handle. See here, this is available. If this is available, now you can tap on save it. See here, the new handle is now saved. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech video like this. Thank you.